LSTMs are powerful but a bit heavy. Meet their simpler sibling, GRUs, Gated Recurrent Units. In this video, we'll break down what GRUs are, why they're useful, how they work with simple gates, and even see a Python demo. GRUs were invented as a lighter alternative to LSTMs. They keep the memory power of LSTMs but use fewer gates, which makes them faster and easier to train. So if you want speed with almost the same accuracy, GRUs are often the better choice. Now let's see how GRUs actually work. GRUs use just two gates. 1. The update gate. This decides how much past information should be carried forward. 2. The reset gate. This decides how much of the past to forget. With these two simple gates, GRUs can manage memory just like LSTMs, but with fewer parameters. That means faster training and less computational cost, while still handling long sequences very well. Think of it like this. The update gate is like your brain deciding which memories to keep for tomorrow's exam. The reset gate is like forgetting irrelevant details you don't need anymore. Together, they keep the important stuff and remove the noise. Now, let's look at a quick Python demo. Here we're using Keras to build a GRU model. Notice how compact the code is compared to an LSTM. This GRU layer processes sequences of 100 time steps with 50 features each, and predicts a binary output. Just like LSTMs, but with fewer computations. So, when should you use GRUs versus LSTMs? LSTMs are more complex and often better for very long sequences, like full books or long speech data. GRUs are simpler, faster, and in many cases perform just as well. To wrap up, GRUs give you the memory power of LSTMs with less computation. That's why they're so popular in real-world projects where speed matters. And guess what? Tomorrow in Day 26, we'll explore transformers, the revolutionary model behind ChatGPT, BERT, and most of today's AI breakthroughs. Don't miss it.